We have at our RS Pro office where we have the complete lighting solution which is going on. The vehicles have come from different parts of Karnataka like Bellary, Shumoga, Davangere. So let me show you what kind of a lighting solution which we are going to do today and what we are going to install. Let's go inside. Let me show what all work we are doing. See, lighting has been a problem in last 3-4 years where the customer is not getting a very good lighting system from the original OEM. Here is a case. If you see this Creta, it is a complete top end vehicle but comes with the 3 cube lights which doesn't give any kind of a throw or a brightness for the customer during his highway. So that was his biggest concern. So we had an opportunity to change that as well, but not to tamper any of the work in the original OEM. What we are going to do is going to install a W7 in this from Aozoom, and completely it's a plug and play. We are going to use a very standard wiring as well in this. We are going to fabricate. I will be explaining that in this video as well. So we are going to place it at this position here or a position here as per what the customer is going to require. I will show that in the video as well. Let us move to the second vehicle where they have removed the bumper. I'll be able to show you a better analysis of what we are going to do. The first and foremost thing of any car is to remove the bumper. We at RS CAR Modifiers will be able to do it exceedingly well because we are equipped to done more than 250 vehicles of these auxiliary lights. So we have opened the bumper here. The next part is going to be the fabrication. We will be able to do the fabrication first. So if you see, we are going to do a W5 here where we have already fabricated this. So now our next work is to place this here. So Mr. Zahir will explain where it will come. हाँ देखो किधर आएगा. So as my technician is saying, we will be able to put the fabrication here and we will be placing it behind the grill so that it looks like a OEM and it is going to give a better light. In this vehicle, again, what we are going to do is a W7. Again, a top end vehicle. It comes with a 3 lenses, but the lighting is pathetic. Again, we are going to use the same technicality which you are using in that Creta. Completely do the wiring and going to do a W7 in this as well. So in this vehicle, again, we are going to use a W7. You can see the fabrication has already been done. Again, we are going to weld it and place it properly. You may see most of the showrooms doesn't do the fabrication. They just put it on nut and bolt here. That is not suggestible because when you are going to drive at a car at an average speed of 80 to 100, it will start shaking and it is not going to give you the stability. So the fabrication becomes a very, very important part into this complete process of auxiliary lights. This is again a top end N-line vehicle. Comes with a 4 projector lens on the front side. Again, we had an option to change that or to go for the auxiliary. The best part about the customer is the customer doesn't want to actually change the headlamp. He wanted to go with the auxiliary. We will be doing again a W7 on this. I'm just giving a pre-sense of what is going to happen and I'll be explaining once the complete installation is done, showing the visuals of what kind of work has been done in all this vehicle. We have done a lot of vehicles, more than 250 vehicles with auxiliaries of W5 and W7. We thankful for all the customer who has believed in us. Let me show you the process of the entire fitment.